Hello! Did you know that using castor oil for only 7 days can completely transform your skin and health, especially after age 50? That's right. Today I am going to share 5 incredible benefits of this powerful oil. And I'll go even further. I will show you how to triple its effectiveness, bust dangerous myths, and warn about the risks if you use the wrong way. So stick with me until the very end, because what you're about to discover might be the exact secret you've been searching for. Before we dive in, like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss tips like this. And tell me, have you ever used castor oil? Did you see results? Where in the world are you watching from? Drop it in the comments. If you're over 50, it's time to discover a beauty secret used since ancient times. An oil once considered a luxury, the beauty secrets of queens in ancient Egypt. Yes, castor oil, also called ricinus oil, has been used for thousands of years for beauty and health. Not just in Egypt, but also in Indian medicine. And now, modern science confirms its incredible benefits. The secret: ricinoleic acid, the main compound in castor oil. So, benefit number 1, anti-aging, nature's Botox. Want to slow skin aging naturally? Castor oil is called nature's Botox for a reason. Rich in antioxidants, it fights free radicals, the main culprits of premature aging. These radicals break down collagen, causing wrinkles and sagging. Apply castor oil around your eyes, mouth, and forehead, and it hydrates while protecting your skin. The results: smoother, fine lines, fewer new wrinkles, firmer, younger looking skin. Try it. In 7 days, you'll notice the difference. Benefit number 2, fights acne and inflammation. Still dealing with oily skin or breakouts after 50? This may surprise you. Even though it's thick, castor oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It fights acne-causing bacteria without clogging pores. Ricinoleic acid stops bacterial growth, calms inflammation, and reduces redness, treating acne at its source. Benefit number 3, heals dry, cracked lips. Hours in air conditioning. Planning a trip somewhere cold? Castor oil can be your best friend. It works as a natural humectant, drawing and sealing in moisture. This keeps lips soft and hydrated all day long. One application and you will feel the difference immediately. Benefit number 4, stronger nails and hydrated cuticles. Weak, brittle nails, dry cuticles. Castor oil is rich in vitamin E and ricinoleic acid, nourishing and strengthening from within. Massage a drop into your cuticles daily and watch the transformation in just weeks. Benefit number 5, speeds healing of small wounds. Studies show castor oil stimulates tissue growth, helping skin regenerate faster. Its antimicrobial properties also protect small cuts from infection. Remember, this is just for small wounds, not large cuts. How to triple its effectiveness? 1. Choose pure organic cold pressed castor oil. It keeps all antioxidants and nutrients intact. 2. Mix with lighter oils like coconut oil and almond oil for better spread and deeper absorption. 3. Use at night when your skin absorbs nutrients best. What are the myths you need to know? Myth number 1. It makes hair and lashes grow faster. No scientific proof here. It can moisture hair but won't speed growth. Myth number 2. Safe to put in eyes. Absolutely not. Only sterile, specialized eye drops are safe. And even then, be careful. Myth number 3. Detoxes your body. No evidence at all. For real health benefits, stick to balanced nutrition and probiotics. Who should avoid it? Those with allergies, always do a patch test. Never ingest it. It's a strong laxative. Pregnant women avoid for labor induction without medical guidance. People on certain meds, consult your doctor first. Used correctly, castor oil can be a game changer for your skin and health, especially after 50. Have you tried it? Share your story in the comments. And if you haven't, maybe it's time to try using these tips to get the best, safest results. Enjoy the video. Next, I'll recommend the best fruits for people with diabetes. I'm Dr. Andre Wambier, I'm cardiologist, and this is Dr. Dre Health Tips. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.